What's up guys, how's it going? MikeTheTech here, and in this video we are unboxing the Xtuga 12-pack acoustic panels, and they are hexagon soundproof panels that are 14 inches by 12 inches and half an inch thick. So they're not the thickest sound absorbing panels out there, but they are extremely affordable. At $24.99 for 12 of these, it's extremely easy to get a wide area of coverage with these panels and get some pretty solid sound dampening if you have a small office or studio. So they have these in black, white, gray, dark gray, and pink. So if you have a certain preference to coloring, you can mix and match those and maybe add the black and grays or black and whites, and even create some really nice designs and patterns with them if you're going to use them across your walls. So for like $100, you can literally get 48 of these panels, and they have double-sided tape, so it's really easy to mount. You just pull the tape off, clean off your wall, make sure it's a fairly flat surface, and they're going to stick on just fine. If you're trying to mount them on a ceiling, or if you have more of a popcorn texture on your wall or something like that, it might not work as well, but the tape is pretty good for most flat surfaces and should work pretty well. So I'm looking forward to trying these out, and hopefully they'll help improve my sound quality moving forward. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you have a good day. Peace.
Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. That's MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, the architect. MikeTheTech, yeah. MikeTheTech, the architect.